Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ultimate Phone Guide. Today, we're diving deep into the iPhone 16 Pro Max, Apple's most powerful and feature-packed smartphone yet. Launched in September 2024, this device pushes the boundaries of performance, design, and camera technology. If you're thinking about upgrading, this video will give you all the details you need to know. Starting with the design, the iPhone 16 Pro Max features a stunning 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR display, making it the largest screen ever on an iPhone. The LTPO OLED panel supports ProMotion technology with a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring ultra-smooth scrolling, gaming, and animations. The peak brightness has been increased to 2500 nits for better outdoor visibility, and the contrast ratio ensures deep blacks and vibrant colors. Apple has made the bezels even thinner, giving the phone a more immersive feel. The device is built with a grade 5 titanium frame, making it both durable and lightweight. It is available in 4 finishes: black titanium, white titanium, blue titanium, and the brand new desert titanium, which has a subtle golden hue. The back of the phone now has a refined microblasted texture, reducing fingerprint smudges while maintaining a premium feel. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is powered by Apple's A18 Pro chipset, built on an advanced 3nm process. This means improved speed, efficiency, and graphics performance. The new GPU architecture delivers up to 30% better performance compared to the A17 Pro, making it a beast for gaming and video editing. The next-generation neural engine is now 50% faster, allowing AI-driven tasks like real-time voice transcription, enhanced computational photography, and AI-assisted editing in apps like Final Cut Pro and Photoshop. The phone comes with multiple storage options: 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB, ensuring plenty of space for professional photographers and content creators. Apple has also improved thermal management, integrating a new vapor chamber cooling system to keep performance stable even under heavy workloads. Now, let's talk about the camera system, which is one of the biggest highlights of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. The main camera is a 4.8MP sensor with an f1.78 aperture, larger sensor size, and improved sensor shift stabilization. This means better low-light photography, sharper details, and more accurate color reproduction. The ultra-wide camera also features a 4.8MP sensor, perfect for landscape shots and macro photography. The biggest upgrade is the 12MP telephoto lens, which now features a periscope-style zoom system, allowing for 5x optical zoom and up to 25x digital zoom. This makes the iPhone 16 Pro Max Apple's best phone for zoom photography. The camera software has also been improved with Smart HDR6, which enhances dynamic range and ensures balanced exposure even in challenging lighting conditions. Night mode now works across all lenses, including the front camera, and the new AI-powered depth mapping enhances portrait photography. For video recording, the iPhone 16 Pro Max supports 4K ProRes recording, which is essential for professional videographers. Apple has improved action mode for better stabilization, making it ideal for filming while in motion. Cinematic mode now supports 4K at 60 FPS, giving videos a true Hollywood look. Apple has also introduced a new real-time AI-powered video enhancer, which automatically adjusts colors, contrast, and sharpness to match professional-grade footage. Battery life has always been a strong point for the Pro Max models, and Apple has made further improvements. The iPhone 16 Pro Max comes with a 4685 mAh battery, offering up to 29 hours of video playback on a single charge. The device supports 35W fast charging, which can get you from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes with a compatible charger. Wireless charging is still available via MagSafe, and Apple has introduced a new reverse wireless charging feature, allowing you to charge accessories like AirPods and Apple Watch directly from the back of the phone. The iPhone 16 Pro Max runs on iOS 18, which brings a host of new AI-powered features, an improved Siri, and deeper customization options. The always-on display is now more intelligent, automatically dimming when the phone is not in use to save battery. The new dynamic island animations make multitasking smoother, and iOS 18 introduces AI-generated widgets that adapt based on your usage patterns. Apple has also focused on privacy, introducing new app privacy reports and enhanced Face ID authentication that works faster and at wider angles. Connectivity has been upgraded with support for Wi-Fi 7, offering ultra-fast wireless speeds for streaming, gaming, and downloads. The iPhone 16 Pro Max also includes the latest 5G modem, ensuring better coverage and lower latency. Apple has improved its ultra-wideband chip, making features like precision finding for AirTags more accurate. The satellite connectivity feature has also been enhanced, now supporting text messaging via satellite in emergency situations. Now, let's talk about pricing and availability in the USA. The iPhone 16 Pro Max starts at $1,199 for the 256GB model, $1,399 for the 512GB version, and $1,599 for the 1TB model. Apple offers several financing options, including monthly payments through the Apple Card and carrier installment plans with AT&T, Verizon, and T-Mobile. Trade-in deals are also available, allowing users to get up to $650 off when trading in an older iPhone. The device is available for purchase at Apple stores, Apple's official website, and major retailers like Best Buy and Amazon. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is the ultimate smartphone for power users, content creators, and anyone looking for the best technology Apple has to offer. With its massive display, next-gen chipset, pro-grade cameras, and all-day battery life, it sets a new benchmark for flagship smartphones. Whether you're a gamer, a photographer, or someone who just wants the best of the best, this phone delivers. Let me know in the comments what you think about the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Are you planning to upgrade, or are you waiting for next year's model? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth phone reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.